Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, and leave a comment down below. Alright, let's dive into today's topic, which is an issue a lot of people face but are too shy to talk about: how to get rid of yellow teeth. First, let me reassure you. Yellow teeth are common, and it's absolutely a problem we can solve. So take a deep breath and let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understand why teeth turn yellow. To fix a problem, you need to know its root cause. Teeth can become yellow due to several reasons like aging, smoking, and the consumption of staining foods and drinks like coffee and red wine. The American Dental Association published a comprehensive guide on this if you're curious to know more. Step 2. Consistent oral care. Now, the first line of defense against yellow teeth is a solid oral care routine. Brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste for at least 2 minutes. Floss at least once a day to remove plaque. Step 3. Use the right technique to brush. It's not just about brushing, but how you brush. According to guidelines from the American Dental Association, hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Use short back and forth strokes. Brush all surfaces of the teeth, outer, inner, and chewing surfaces. Step 4. Rinsing with mouthwash. Choose an antibacterial mouthwash and rinse your mouth after brushing and flossing. This can provide that extra kick of cleanliness. Step 5. Homemade teeth whitening paste. While there are plenty of over-the-counter whitening products, you can also make a paste at home using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. A study from the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found this combo to be effective. Mix 1 part baking soda with 2 parts hydrogen peroxide. Apply the mixture to your teeth and let it sit for a minute. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward. Step 6. Natural whitening methods. Strawberries contain malic acid, which can naturally whiten your teeth. Research published in the Journal of Dentistry says that malic acid can do the job, but it's not as effective as commercial products. Crush a strawberry and rub it on your teeth. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse. Step 7. Preventive measures. Avoid food and drinks that stain your teeth. Use a straw when drinking staining liquids. Step 8. Regular dental checkups. Finally, regular visits to the dentist can also help maintain a white and healthy smile. Dentists can perform professional cleanings and may also offer professional whitening services. There you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to get rid of yellow teeth. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, keep smiling.